So you're thinking about a remodel, how long does it take? What do I do? What are the deadlines? Are the city requirements? Stay tuned, you got questions, I'm gonna answer them all now. Home remodels, full remodels, bathrooms, kitchens, typically we tell our clients 4 to 8 months. There's gray area to that, right? Every project has a different scope of timeline, right? So the first phase of this thing would be the planning. How does the layout look? How does it have the whole remodel? How does it look? Selling it, are you living in it? So all that planning needs to come into play first, so then we can marry that with the proper general contractors. Probably the most important step, I would say, personally, is phase 1, the planning phase. So phase 2, the demolition part. This is where we get nasty. This is what people don't like to see. Sometimes we strip the house to literally just a frame, like a shell of a house. You know, what we're digging down, it's nothing but dirt. Sometimes it's ugly. We're taking out cabinets, we're ripping up floors, we're knocking down walls. That's the demolition phase, tearing it down so we can build back up again. Phase 3 would be to start to put everything back into play, covering the floors and continue with this, you know, sheetrocking and the sanding and the painting and the whole thing. So we're putting everything back now, right? We took it down in the demo, now we're building everything back up. But now sometimes we're at the mercy of the city. And I'm bringing this up because the deadlines get pushed a little bit. We're at the mercy of the city. Some permits are over the counter real quick. Some permits take a little bit longer, inspections. We got to work with the city on that part. So phase 4. Phase 4 is punch list. All the little details, the nuances, the electrical plate covers, taking up the floor coverings, maybe a little bit of caulking on the crown, just small little details that really kind of pull the home together. This is the phase where most homeowners really get excited because they can actually see themselves living in the home now. It's the finish line, it's right there. Start ripping down walls. Sometimes you find things that are unexpected and we have to kind of repivot and revamp and replan. If you're in a construction project, hope you get some behind the scenes look at other stuff we're doing. You can see projects that were in the demo phase, in the planning phase, in the process, and you can also find some finished product on our channel too. So call us today, we'll give you a free 3D mock-up, walk you through what your home will look like, you know, what you're trying to get from it, your goals, your vision, and then we'll put it on a 3D mock-up, put it on paper for you so it's nice and tangible and you can see and make a proper decision. Call us today.